Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how IndexError tuple index out of range. An IndexError with the message tuple index out of range occurs when you try to access an index of a tuple that is outside of the range of the tuple. For example, consider the following code. When you try to run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. Here, we are trying to access the element at index 3 of the my_tuple, but this tuple only has elements at indices 0, 1, and 2. So when we try to access index 3, we get an IndexError with the message tuple index out of range. To fix this error, make sure that you are only trying to access indices that are within the range of the tuple. In the example above, we should change the index to 2 if we want to access the last element of the tuple. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.